Eating now? Eating grass.
He's so hungry.
Yeah, he is.
He wants to eat chicken nugget.
And then?
It's using McDonald's.
Ang ganda. Grabe. Nature talaga. Yeah!
Bukas mas mataas pa dito.
Hello, Philippines. Hi. Knock, knock. I think Noah is here. Wow!
Another hide and seek.
Another hide and seek.
Ayan.
Ito yung hot spring nila. Ang ganda. Si Bea nandun sa kabila. Tatlo itong hot spring na to. Ayan. Hanky Panky. Noah has a donkey. Panky.
Daddy, buddy donkey. That is sister's donkey. Daddy, buddy donkey. And Inky Pinky Monkey. Daddy, buddy donkey.
Donkey, donkey, donkey. Noah has a donkey. Noah cry. Donkey, donkey, donkey. Hanky Panky Panky. Noah is a donkey. No. Sina? Kanta ka na. Eating now? Eating grass.
He's so hungry.
Yeah, he is.
He wants to eat chicken nugget.
And then?
It's using McDonald's.
There. Noah, oh. There. I'll take a photo. Tina, take video. Ganda. Ganda.
Surprising view.
Ang ganda. Grabe. Nature talaga.
Doon tayo. Bukas mas mataas pa dito.
Inky Pinky Monkey. Daddy, buddy donkey.
Sister, can we take video? Yeah, that's okay now. Pinky, Pinky, Panky.
Yes. Photo too? Photo too?
A photo also po.
Yes. Video, video. Just to video.
Brother. Oh, sit down, sit down. May kaibigan na naman si Noah. Noah, come here. Come here, sister. Huh?
It is my friends.
Yeah. Hi, how are you? How are you?
Hold it.
How are you? Say hello to Philippines. Hello Philippines. Hi.
My baby. Baby. Take the baby.
She's sister. It's okay. She's touching you only. Ang ganda pala ng Kyrgyzstan. Pag nature lover ka, ma-appreciate mo ang Kyrgyzstan. Sa una, yung may kabayo. Sa una, yung lalakad-lakad ka, pero satisfying naman pag nakarating ka na dun sa pupuntahan niyo. Nagulat ako, parang may kabayo kanina. Ang bilis. Against the light. Pero ito sa area na to, ang ganda talaga.
My daddy father.
Yes.
My daddy father.
Happy birthday
Daddy
to
father.
you.
I'm a donkey.
Na donkey?
Yeah.
Yan si Madam. Sige, okay.
Oh, sit down there. Sit down there. Sit down there. I will make a photo. Okay, smile. One, smile. What is that? Cross Noah? Noah, smile. Mano kantaan.
Noah, 2, 3. Where are you, Noah? Where are you? Can I check where is Noah? Noah, where are you? Knock knock. Knock knock. Knock knock. I think Noah is here. Wow!
Another hide and seek.
Another hide and
Let's
seek.
go up.
Another hide and seek. Ah, don't go there. It's dirty.
Let's play hide and seek.
You go up. You go up. You go up.
Okay.
You go up. 1, 2, 3. Where is Noah? Oh. Where is Noah? Noah, where are you? Where is my Noah? I am here, searching for you. Whoop! I can see. Whoop! Hey!
Let's play hide and seek. Come, Daddy.
Oh, maipit ka.
Let's play hide and seek. Come.
Where are you, Noah? Where are you? Noah. I think Noah is here. Oh, Noah is not here. Noah is here? Oh, not. Noah is here down. Oh, where down other? Noah is here. Down there. There. I think Noah is here. Can I check? Can I check? Maybe Noah is here? No, mommy. Where? Noah is here? Oh, no. I will check where. I think Noah is here. 1, 2, 3. Yep!
Let's play another hide and seek. Just count, Daddy. Just count.
Wow! Hot spring. Dito kami ngayon sa hot spring. Walang, ay, yung damit ko na lang kasi ah.
Swimming.
Ah, pang swimming. Ha? Hindi. Noah! Hey, hey! Hello! Noah! Say hello, Noah! Amir! Noah! Swim! Come here! This side, Noah! Oh. This side! This side! Noah, come! This side, this side, this side, Noah! Ganito, hot spring dito. Ayan, ito yung hot spring nila. Ayan. Ang ganda. Si Bea nandun sa kabila. Tatlo itong hot spring na to. Ayan, ang ganda ng ang ganda ng flower nila, oh. Totoong flower ito. Totoong rose. Ayan, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng rose nila. Nakakatuwa. Ayan. Nandito kami ngayon sa hot spring. Yung si Noah, oh. Ang tuwang-tuwa. Hindi magkamaliw kanina eh. Gusto nang talagang mag-swimming eh. Oh. Yun, si Bea.